PERS Employer Reporting Video Series presents Reporting a New Employee. From the employer homepage, let's start by creating a report. To do that, select Work on Reports from the Site Navigation toolbar. From the Work on Wage and Contribution Report screen, click Create a New Report. On the Create a New Report screen, choose a report date. It can be any date of the month except a date reserved to submit your regular report. For this example, we are going to use a sample date. To hire a new employee, you will need to create a demographics and adjustment report. Use the drop-down menu to make your selection. Next, let's choose a method for populating your report. For this example, we're going to use the third radio button to create an empty report and add member records manually. Click Next. The Create Retirement Detail Report confirmation shows the report date you have created. Next, click Return to Report Summary page. This returns you to the Work on Wage and Contribution Reports page. Here you'll see the report you just added under Unposted Demographics and Adjustment Reports with a status of Added. Our next step is to edit this report to add a Detail 1 demographics record. Start by clicking Edit. Go to Option 2, Add or Edit a Record. Enter your new employee's Social Security number with no dashes or spaces. Click Add or Edit Record. Next, we're going to choose a record type. For hiring a new employee, we're going to create a Detail 1 member demographics record. The radio button is already selected for you as a default, so just click Add New Record. A Detail 1 record opens. The employee's Social Security number is already filled in, so let's begin with the status code. Click the drop-down menu. For this example, we're hiring a qualifying new hire, status code 01. The status date will be the first date that the employer-employee relationship started, which is their first day on the job or in onboarding. This employee started their new job on May 18, 2023. This employee is brand new and does not have a PERS account, so let's start with their name. Enter their full legal name in all caps per U.S. Postal Service preference. Scroll down and fill in their address in all caps in the Address 1 field, including unit, apartment, or condo number. Use P.O. Box instead of street if one is available. Enter their city. Use the drop-down menu to select a state. And enter the zip code. Province and postal code are only for foreign addresses. Enter their date of birth. Enter their current legal gender. Please note, you have to select female or male to get the record to post. If your employee does not identify as female or male, you can ask PERS to update their gender to non-binary other. To request that change, after you submit the new hire record, submit a demographic correction request. Instructions will be provided at the end of this video. Continuing with the Detail 1 record, select the PERS job class code. 01 General Service, 02 Police and Fire, and 09 School Employee are the most common job class codes. For this example, we're going to hire someone into a General Service job class code. Next is Average Overtime Hours. Click the drop-down menu and select the number of overtime hours this position is expected to work in a calendar year. This limitation does not affect how many overtime hours an employee can work or be paid for. It only limits the hours that can be included when calculating an employee's final average salary. It does not affect Tier 1 and Tier 2 employees, but EDX requires that you enter a number. So for those employees, you can choose 0. In this example, our employee is a new OPSERT member, and we're going to select 100. Contract number of months is only selected if you're hiring a job class 09 school employee. Otherwise, leave the default of 0. That completes the Detail 1 record. Scroll down and click Save. From the Add Edit Member Records page, click OK. This returns you to the Edit Retirement Detail Report screen. From here, you can go back to Option 2 to report another new hire or to correct something on the record you just created. If you are done, click Done under Option 1, Finished editing this report. This returns you to the Work on Wage and Contribution Report screen. You will see your report under Unposted Demographics and Adjustment Reports with a status of Added. If you are done editing the report and you're ready to submit it to PERS, your last step is to release the report by clicking Release. A confirmation screen appears. Select Click here to return to the Work on Wage and Contribution report screen. This concludes reporting a new employee. Now, if your employee identifies as other than female or male, follow these steps to update their gender once the new hire record has posted. You must submit a demographic correction request, or DCR, to PERS. To do that, click the Work List link from the employer homepage. From the Work List page, click the Create Demographic Correction Request link. Next, enter the employee's Social Security number and click Search. From the Demographic Correction Request page, type a request to change the employee's gender to non-binary other in the comments box as shown here. Click Save. A confirmation appears that your request has been submitted.